Hello everyone, this is Joy. Today I'm going to show you how to darn this hole by using this darning foot. So to start with, we have to attach this darning foot over here, but make sure that this will rest on the needle clamp. So we need to screw here. And to darn, you can also use accessories like the hoop. If the fabric is too thin, you can use this hoop to stretch the fabric. And you can put stabilizer at the bottom of the fabric. So starts the machine, starts the straight stitch, and touch this 4 dashes here in the middle, and then program the length to 0 and place this fabric under the pressure foot. Hold this needle thread and hold the hand wheel towards you so the needle will go down under the fabric and pick up the bobbin thread towards the top of the fabric. And then we need to outline using the straight stitch. And then after stitching several stitches, we can cut this thread. And then we can stitch across by holding this fabric and holding back and forth, and stitch as close as possible. So now we have to stitch crosswise. And this is how to darn. So you can also darn by using the general purpose foot, but you have to adjust this setting here and put it on the darn symbol, and same settings here and the same procedure as this one. And if you have any questions, please leave a comments under the video, and if you want to learn about this machine, let me know so I could study on my manual and share it with you. So thank you for watching, and bye for now.